Good day and welcome to this Excel bold step video series. I've termed this video series Excel bold step video series because it only takes the bold to take the necessary steps that they need to bring about the much awaited change. So in this video series, you are going to be investing your time and your mind. And the takeaways after investing such important resources of yours are that you will learn how to deploy Excel to your advantage. You will also learn how to leverage on Excel to gain some advantage which you didn't know exists because you already had these tools in your hands. My guess is that you have used Excel to some level, but you won't be at the same level after watching this video. One principle that we are going to be using is the guiding principle in many areas of ICT and life in general, which says that in anything that you plan to do in life, you should start from where you are. It could be that you want to invest in ICTs. You look at the resources that you already have, those which can also be used in this new project. So starting where you are is like you already have Excel, which can be used or which can be optimized to bring about solutions that we think can only be achieved when you are using development packages. But in Excel, there are such capabilities as well. Remember, any tool is as good as its user. A computer will produce a result in proportion to how the user is knowledgeable about it. To programmers, developers, and other techno-savvy users, a computer is a powerful tool. But to novice users, they don't know how to use it and they don't go beyond just typing and word processing. So, in this series, we want to learn how to practically deploy Excel so that we build solutions or small solutions for our businesses, for our day to day operational challenges that we can deploy our Excel to our advantage. And remember, we will be learning how to build lightweight applications in this series. Lightweight applications, by lightweight, I mean they are those packages that are solely specializing in building applications. Like there's Java in this world, there's C, C sharp, there is Python, there is you name them. But in Excel, there are also some programming and development capabilities, application development capabilities that we can take advantage of, and they are easy to learn using VBA. Remember, Excel is a wide range of deployment capabilities which can transform your organization's digital transformation ambitions. Of late, we have heard about this automation hype whereby organizations try to create value from the resources that they have. And the keyword or the hype that we have is automation. But when people think of automation, they think of big things, whereas they could be having some small tools that they can use to come about the automation solutions that they can use for the better of their organizations, for the better of their endeavors or their projects, or for life in general. Just to say, in your life, you might need a spreadsheet that is automated. So, there are numerous deployment capabilities for Excel, and some of them are discussed or are listed below. They include building interactive dashboards. Dashboards can be used for uh, project management or for mail monitoring, evaluation, and learning. These are some of the applications that you can deploy Excel and have greater returns. You can also use Excel to develop an automated help desk ticket system. Some of these things you don't need to buy them. To always say, okay, when I think of something, I think of raising a purchase requisition. No. Sometimes just need to look around for the resources that you already have that you can deploy to your advantage. Excel can help you to do that. You can also use Excel to build some trackers, how to see how you are managing your fuel, how consumption of fuel at your company is being done, or a particular program, a particular product. You can use Excel. If you know how to build that tool, you can always come up with a excellent solution that can solve numerous of your problems. You can also use Excel to develop a point of sale system. You can also use Excel to uh, develop an inventory management system. These are some of the numerous ways in which Excel can be used or can be deployed to our advantage. As I indicated earlier on that this video is an introductory video to a series of videos in the Excel board step video series. What you are going to do is just to set the stage for upcoming videos to have some basis or to have a starting point. So, what I'm going to do here to be practical is that the basic usage of Excel is just typing or creating spreadsheets. But if you want to go to the development environment where you can create applications in Excel, you have to customize the ribbon so that we have a development or developer tab appearing on that list of tabs that we have. Remember, on that ribbon, we have file, home, insert, uh, layout, we have formulas, data, review, view, help, and a lot more. But the developer's icon is not appearing here on the ribbon. So to enable it, you come here and select file, then you go to options. Having gone to options, then you go to customize a ribbon. Then after choosing customize ribbon, you come to the developer tab where it is written main tabs here. Then you come here to the developer tab. You can select the developer tab. Once you select it and you apply or you click OK, it will appear on the ribbon. So to just view what is contained in the developer tab, there are these options that we have. There is the coding aspect, and when you code, you use the Visual Basic Editor, macros, record macro, use relative references, macro security. Then we also have add-ins like Excel add-ins, com add-ins, some of which we might not be using in this video. We also have controls. We also have XML. So for us to be able to access the developer environment in VBA, that is Visual Basic, we have to select it. Remember, it was not selected, but we have to just check it here. Then we click OK. Once we do that, you see that our ribbon is already changed. We now have the developer tab appearing here on top. When you click it, then you click Visual Basic. It brings you to this environment where you can start or you can begin your application building or where you can begin your coding. And once you are here, you are already in the development environment using Visual Basic. And remember, you are building lightweight applications. Excel was never meant to be specializing in application development, but you can also build lightweight applications. So in this environment, you can do a lot of things. Look here, we have got VBA project file, Microsoft Excel objects. We've got sheets, this workbook. If you want to insert a user form in your project, you just come here where it's written user forms. And on user form, you just click user form, then you have your user form. And on this user form, you can as well adjust some properties, you can enlarge it, you can make it grow. So here you can select objects, and this is a label, this is a text box, we've got a combo box which you can use and uh, put on the form as you design your forms. You can do whatever you want to do on your forms, and you can develop some applications. And if you are going to follow this series of videos, we are going to be developing a lot of other tools that you can also develop at your own organization or for use in your own projects, so that you can deploy them. You don't necessarily have to buy every tool that you want to use in organization. Some of these tools you can just improvise. You can just come up with an initiative on how to build them, on how to apply already available existing infrastructure to solve your own problems. So we have a development environment in what? In Excel. So Excel is so rich in ways one can deploy it to maximize its usage. In fact, nobody is capable in one's entire life to explore all the capabilities of Excel. You invest more of your time to learn more about it. That's when you realize that the more you know, the more there is more to learn. So you see that we are surrounded, or we are rich in terms of the tools that we have, we can take advantage of. But the problem we have is always that many of the times we don't know how to use them to our advantage. But Excel is one such tool. Even in this video series, we are not going to be able to expand all the capabilities that Excel brings about. But we are going to try our best to focus on those day-to-day operations or tools that we need to use in our daily problems as we do our operations, where ICT can come as an intervention to solve some problems or to come and try to optimize an existing process. So for introduction purposes, and I think this demonstration that we have done is okay for an introduction. You should keep watching this space, because there are coming some subsequent videos that will be explaining, or that will be showing how we can take advantage of Excel in our daily lives. Some other type of content that to view or look forward to on this channel include certification material for Oracle Database Administration, Project Management, that is PMP, Prince2, ITU4, IT Sales Management, CISA, that is Certified Information Systems Auditor. We have cloud computing and a lot more ICT practical solutions stuff that is going to appear on this channel. So keep watching this space, because quite a lot of stuff is going to come. Bear in mind that this channel is dedicated to discussing and suggesting ICT solutions that can change your fortunes in your life through profiling practical ICT solutions. But before we part ways, or before we say goodbye to each other, I have got one request that I am making unto you. Please subscribe to the channel. I have a 1,000 mark subscriber mark by to be reached by December 2020. So your subscription to this channel is going to add up to a 1,000. By just adding one, we are drawing nearer to a 1,000 mark that I want to reach by December 2020. That we intend this channel to reach by December 2020. You also can like the video. If you like it, I encourage you to like the video. You can also hit the notification button so that you don't miss any posting that is done to this particular channel, and we continue to learn together. If you are a YouTuber, you can just paste a link of your videos in the comment section, and I will do the same to your video as we support one another in this work. I will watch your video, I will make comments, and I will like the video, and I will subscribe to the channel. so that I don't miss any other content. So let's support each other and let's see if we can reach this 1000 mark by December 2020. Don't underestimate what your actions to this channel will do to me. By just subscribing, you will give me the energy, the passion, and desire to produce more videos. And to this end, I say, may the grace of our Lord Jesus Christ, the love of God, and the fellowship of the Holy Spirit abide and continue in us in this short earthly pilgrimage until Christ's second return. I thank you. And see you in the next video in this Excel board step video series. Cheerio.